regional value chains to process our gold, to process our bauxite, cocoa, and lithium here in West Africa. We must invest in intra-African trade, leveraging AfTA protocol not only as a continental mechanism, but as a unique West African opportunity, especially given that its secretariat is based in Accra, Ghana. This proximity is a regional asset that we must collectively exploit. Undeniably, we all support the dream of a single currency, the ECO. But while we continue dreaming, our traders struggle. It is reported that in 2024, currency conversion losses alone wiped out an estimated $2.3 billion in regional business value. We propose a regional currency convertibility mechanism backed by the ECOWAS central banks to allow seamless Naira CD franc transactions via platforms like PAPS. Excellency, for more than 2 decades, we have been working on the adoption of a single currency, ECO, as the beating heart of our regional economic integration, yet it remains just that, work in progress. Our businesses suffer, our traders lose billions, and our youth lose faith. The absence of a common West African currency continues to fragment our economies, hinder investment, and raise the cost of doing business across all our borders. It is time to move from vision to action. Ghana therefore calls for the immediate establishment of a time-bound action plan for the ECO, with clear milestones, institutional responsibilities, and monitoring mechanisms, all under the direct political authority of the ECOWAS Authority of Heads of State and Government. It is time for rehearsing ambition must end. The single currency must not be treated as an eternal aspiration, but as an achievable mission. It is estimated that Africa loses $170 billion annually in trade potential due to infrastructure gaps. Within ECOWAS, over 62% of cross-border routes remain unpaved, and port congestion adds between $300 to $500 per container. Without roads that connect, energy that powers, and logistics that flow, investment and trade cannot blossom. Our infrastructure must be overhauled and integrated by connecting landlocked and coastal states, facilitating inter-regional mobility, and digitizing cross-border trade processes. Above all, it is crucial to cultivate a West African single market mindset that transcends national borders and centers the interests of both citizens and producers. This is the surest way to gain and maintain economic sovereignty. Thus, Ghana proposes the creation of a West Africa Infrastructure Guarantee Facility, a pooled risk instrument to unlock blended finance and de-risk private capital for priority corridors like Lagos, Cotonou, Abidjan. In this regard, Ghana is rolling out the big push for national infrastructure development to boost growth and create sustainable jobs. We are spending also over $3.2 billion in digital public infrastructure, green logistics, and special economic zones. We are expanding our ports, actively exploring avenues to deploy AI in revenue mobilization, and reducing SME tax filing time by 40%. We are ready to host regional logistics, technology, and financial services for the benefit of all ECOWAS members. Your Excellencies, West Africa is home to 1 in every 3 Africans under the age of 25. This is not a demographic trend. It is a continental asset. But our youth are not looking for pity or platitudes. They are seeking a platform. I propose the creation of a West Africa Innovation Passport or Startup Pass, enabling young entrepreneurs to scale solutions across the region. Ghana also offers to host a West African Innovation Sandbox that nurtures ideas, funds prototypes, and opens markets. I further recommend the establishment of a regional innovation fund and an annual youth in trade forum to be co-hosted by Ghana in 2026.